Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In cohort B, you are at home and you are trying to learn what I am teaching in class today. So this is where we are. We're at this page in your handouts. Can you please find it? You'll notice that there's an investigation with a code. Yeah, well, all good things come to an end, and apparently this has a time limit on it. So this no longer works. So it's no longer active. My apologies to that. But I do want you to go to Desmos. I want you to load up Desmos, and I want you to start playing around. I want you to start graphing things. I want you to graph this. I want you to graph y equals x squared. And then I want you to graph y equals x plus 3 squared. Take a look at the difference. Graph both of them on the same axes. Below that, do x minus 3 squared. Notice the difference. Notice what the plus does. Notice what the negative does. Then I want you to graph y equals x squared plus 3. See the difference? See how the x is outside the x squared? Then, not the x is outside the x squared. See how the plus is outside the x squared. And see how this negative is outside the x squared. I want you to notice what that does and what that does. What you're going to find, or at least what you should find, is that this x on the inside of the x squared should be a shift to the left. You should notice that this negative inside the x squared is a shift to the right. You should notice that this plus outside the x squared should be a shift up. And you should notice that this is a shift down. So again, we're going to be looking at y equals bracket x plus h squared plus k. And we're interested in what happens with this two values being added to y equals x squared. Now stop this video, go and do that on Desmos, and then come back and we will continue with the lesson.